Hello, students. Just a quick run through the Prezi for this week, week 15, finals week. You'll note there's a weekly video as well. Please make sure you do check that out. We start with the video before we dive into the 5 questions. Again, your final digital resume must include a philosophy of educational technology. You must answer these 5 questions. What is good teaching, good learning, worth knowing, the educated person, and what is the purpose of education through the lens of digital technology, educational technology? Make sure that is included. You can write about it, you can create infographics about it, you can record videos about it. Any of the tools we've used this semester you can utilize to illustrate your vision of the educational use of technology in the classroom. At all points, make sure you are discussing technology, using citations. Each answer needs to be more than a paragraph. It can't just be a sentence or a paragraph. Make sure you're explaining your ideas and you're using examples from class, from your own experiences. Make sure your philosophy is robust. This is a big chunk of points that you can easily obtain if you take the time to address the questions and really explain and reflect on the semester, which you just did in the creation of your digital story. Make sure you are considering in your philosophy the frameworks that we engaged all semester. The focus on content and then pedagogy and then technology. The learning first, technology second. We looked at TPACK as a framework. We looked at SAMR as a framework. We specifically engaged the Triple E. What questions do teachers need to ask? What skills do students need to develop? Keep in mind those 4 C's: critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. Your digital philosophy should be a vision of the classroom where you are engaging students through the use of digital tools to engage, enhance, and extend the learning to expand their ability to become 21st century citizens in our democratic society. Students, go to the rest of the learning module. Have a great week. Email me to set up a meeting. Let's finish strong.